Take notes. We've made some updates to take notes in CueDB. Let's dive in. To log take notes, click the Notes button for a start. The Take Notes panel will open. First, decide if you want takes to increment by start, session, or recording project. Start means takes begin at 1 and increment within this panel only. Session means takes begin at 1 for the first take of the session and increment across all starts in that session. Recording project means takes increment across all starts of all sessions. Autofill pass from tags means CueDB will look at the instrumentation tags assigned to your start and populate the pass field for your first take. You can turn this off or modify it as needed. Whatever value you save will carry over to the next take. Next are 3 note fields for orchestration, recording, and mixing. These are cue-based and can be accessed from all starts related to a cue. They are also available in the corresponding columns in the cue overview. You can choose whether to use pre-take notes and passes by toggling them on or off. If you prefer to work with a single notes field or don't need to adjust the pass field, this helps clean up the view. The top-rated takes toggle filters for takes marked with 5 stars. At the bottom of each take, there are 3 checkboxes to quickly log if a take was interrupted, if there was stage noise, or if it is an overdub. Create your first take by clicking the New Take button, using the shortcut Ctrl+N, or simply by starting to type. As soon as a value is entered, the draft updates to the time the take was created and the row is no longer dimmed. Hover the time to see your local time, while the displayed time reflects the recording stage's local time. You can reverse this by enabling User Time Zone in the Recording Project Options menu. Fill in optional bar numbers and take notes. When the take is complete, set a rating, then choose whether to continue at the same spot by clicking New Take with Same Bars or using Ctrl+B, or click New Take or press Ctrl+N to create a new take with focus on an empty bars field. You can delete a take by clicking the trash icon. When you're done recording, you can view and export take notes from several places. For example, click Export Take Notes in the Recording Project Options menu. This opens the Take Notes browser filtered to all takes in the currently viewed session, in this case, strings AM. If you instead click Browse Take Notes in the Take Notes panel, the same view opens filtered to that cue only. Let's explore this view further and clear all filters. At the top is a search field where you can filter takes, for example, by the word mutes. Next is a drop-down menu where you can, for example, show only takes with 5 stars. The Group by Cue toggle bundles takes by cue across all starts and sessions, or you can turn it off to see all takes sorted by session and recording order in the order they were logged. Export the currently displayed takes and columns by clicking Export in the bottom right. Supported formats are PDF, Excel, and CSV. When grouping by cue, you can also include the cue-based note fields mentioned earlier. Only selected columns will appear in the table and in the export. What you see is what you get. To view cues from a single session, click the session title in the Sessions filter box. To filter multiple sessions, use the checkboxes instead. The same applies to cues. Click a cue title in the Cues filter box to filter by one cue, or use the checkboxes for multiple cues. To clean up the view and focus on take notes, click Hide Options and then Collapse to hide export and filter options. You can also open the Take Notes browser from the Cue Details window. Clicking Take Notes in the Options menu opens the same view, pre-filtered to the current cue. Thanks for watching!